Hi there, this is Sheila, and welcome back to the Painted Pig Studio on this big celebration day. Guess what? We've reached 26 subscribers. We're up to 26. So, as promised, there's going to be a giveaway. And, so, here is what's going to, first I'll tell you what's going to be in the giveaway, and then I'll tell you what you need to do to be eligible for the giveaway. Alright? Okay, here's the stack of goodies. And basically, it should be enough. This is sort of aimed towards new junk journalers, inexperienced junk journalers, but somebody that's been doing it a while can use this stuff too, believe me. Because every junk journaler has stuff that nobody else has. But there's some writing paper there. There's some solid color vellum. Oops, that's not supposed to be in there. That's somebody else's digital print. Oh my. Okay, so I think we're good. And there's some good cardstock, some music page, dictionary page, book pages. Some have been watercolor dyed, and this is my own digital print, so there's not another one like it out there. It's not, I mean, it's just a beginning. Just a beginning. And these are either coffee, tea, or watercolor dyed, and there's a few doilies mixed in, and index card, and Rolodex card. So hopefully this will be enough to get started if you've never done one before. Now, I can't supply you the glue, the scissors, and all that stuff, but I am supplying a piece of fabric that is more than plenty to cover the journal. And you can use some of the book pages or whatever to use on the inside cover. This is an old Reader's Digest, and it's going to need a spine, but that's good because you can determine how many signatures you want to do, and that can determine what size spine you want. And you can glue layers of cardboard from cereal boxes, cracker boxes, whatever, together to make the spine and make it the size you want. And if you need to find out some links or some people who can that have done videos showing you how to make a spine, just let me know in the comments below, and I will hook you up. Okay, we have this size envelope, which is around a 9x6, something like that, and inside you will find other envelopes. Now, these have not been dyed in any way, and you will also find a little stack of goodies like vellum, words that I did myself, and this from the 1970s in a grocery close by here, little receipts. So you'll get all of that. And here are the little coin clips that I talked about, that I got a ton of, that I want to reuse them all, so I'm going to include those. Alright, now also I've got some Tim Holtz vellum, some tissue paper, some napkins with the backs already removed, so they're ready to go, little pattern paper there. I've got in this envelope, now let's don't do that yet, I'll show you this one first. This is tags and Welltail tabs. Now, these tags have not been decorated, and there's also junk tags in here. But you can use these tags for templates to make other tags, if you like. And there's even some little bitty small ones, and I think a wooden one in there. So, again, this is themed towards that material, that fabric right there, in hopes that you'll have enough to do your own journal. Now, I didn't have a lot. I didn't want to create a lot of bulk, more bulk than is here. But this bag contains little snippets of lace, ribbon, and some little flower trim there, some neutral flower trim there. So you'll be able to use that in your journal. And this is sort of a miscellaneous bag. It's got a little bit of ephemera from Tim Holtz and from Scrapbook Packs. And then it's got a few die cuts in there. It's got a couple of paper clips. Here's one that goes on the side. This one is a hidden paper clip. And it's got some bling and a flower and a little bit of washi tape. So again, for somebody, if you don't have anything to start with, this will give you a good start. Here is just some bits and pieces. Some literally just scrap. And this gives you a start to making scrap clusters and your own things with scraps. And this envelope, or this little baggie, has got book corners. And it's got these little ribbon holders or bookmark. I'm not sure, but anyway, it clamps down onto a ribbon for, like, if you want to put a bookmark in your journal, or I'm drawing a blank. But anyway, there's bulb pins in there as well. So, and I've included a gift card that's got the corner to give you a template for cutting out your tags. Alright, and in this envelope, there are a couple of things that I've made recently. Here is a corner pocket that I did in the Roxy's Weekly Challenge. Here is just a little something, and it could use a little something right here. This is something based on a Corey Dahman idea, and I just did this while I was talking on the phone with my sister. So there's a little pocket right there that needs filling, a little tuck right here, and a pocket right here, and a little decoration right there, and that's going to be good to go. And again, I think it will go with that. If it doesn't, you don't have to use it. And this is another, this is my flip up, flip over with writing paper on the inside. And this is a little vellum flip. And that's it. And this is a Polish, is it Polish? Yes, Polish stamp. It is not a copy. It is the original stamp. Okay. So, and then in this little glassine bag is some other things that I've made. This is one of those side pockets that was in a Roxy Weekly Challenge. This is just a scrap cluster based on Corey Dahman. Scrap card based on her. This is just a little, this is actually solid vellum with a little flower decoration. And a little piece of snippet. And one of these is also based on what Corey Dahman does. This is what she calls a stamp card. So all that will be included. And a little glassine envelope is also in there. So, there you have it, folks. Now, to be eligible for the giveaway, you need to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Comment on this video. So, everyone who subscribes and comments on this video will be put into a drawing. And I mean, you're going to have a good chance of winning, because At most, there would only be 26 if everybody commented. So I think if you're just starting out as a journaler, this is a good starter pack up for you. If you've already been doing it, you can add this to your stash. But by all means, please do like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment on this very video right here. And the, let's see, my Friday video might be delayed by one day because I'm going to put this one in, and you know my internet. Blah. So, I will announce the winner next weekend, next Friday, a week from today, which would be the 19th, March 19th. March 19th is when we'll announce the video. So, have a great weekend, you guys. Stay safe, stay well. Hugs and kisses until we meet again. Bye-bye.